how do I actually know that what I believe is true? I wish to answer that question by introducing you to two concepts. There's the truth of nature and the nature of truth. And I venture to assert that you need binocular vision to answer that question. Because as a scientist, there are many physical laws which I know are true, such as the force of gravity or the laws operative in the electromagnetic domain. So there are many scientific laws which we know are true because we can test them and we can repeat them over and over again. I can take a stone, let it fall to the ground. The laws of gravity, self-evident before. So there's the whole concept of repeatability. But when it comes to spiritual things, there's something else needed, and that's revelation. And I believe that God revealed himself. But not only revealed himself to me, I know that he is the way, the truth, and the life. Now, how do I juxtapose these two? Because there's the truth of nature and the nature of truth. And the nature of truth focuses on the spiritual domain as well. It was Blaise Pascal who said, "The heart has its reasons that reason knows not of." How do I know that the creator of this universe is more real than the very breath I'm breathing? Because the heart has its reasons that reason knows nothing about.